I am Ana Marie Himpayan. I am 33 years old. I live in Mandaluyong. My highest, I am high school graduate. I am married. I have one daughter. This is my first time to work in abroad. My working to the future of my daughter and my family. To here in agency, I think 30 to 40 minutes. Yes, sir. My parents and my sister. My first working experience, I work in Ortigas family in a year of May 2018 to March 2020. I am a babysitter. They have one kid and two adults. And my second job, yes, 1 year old. Yes, sir. And my second job is in John David. I work in June 2021 to February 2025. They have one kid, 5 years old, and three adults. Stay in, sir. Only me. Only me. Yes, sir. Stay in, sir. Take care a newborn and a toddler. I take care a baby to feed, uh, bathing, changing clothes, and play with them. If the baby is crying and irritating, first I will check the body temperature. If they are sick, if the temperature is 37 to 38, I will tell to my employer before I give the medicine. And I check the diaper if they are poop or what, and I feed them. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I'm not good in singing, sir. I see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will teach the good manners, good attitude, basic mathematics, language, and English if they are Chinese. I don't have experience, sir, but I'm willing to learn. I cook Filipino food. I am honest, hardworking. I am sincere at my work. Yes, sir, I promise. Until I finish my contract, if I have a chance to renew it, I will go. Two children. Yes, sir. I take her together with months and a toddler. Yes. To my future employee, please hire me. To my future employer, please hire me. If you hire me, I will do my best, especially for taking care of baby. And I promise I will finish my contract. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Okay.